Want a website without spending a single dollar? I'll show you how to grab a free domain and hosting in under few minutes. No credit card, no catch. Let's start with the domain. First, sign into your GitHub account. Then open the domain registration website and tap on Register a Domain website. Next, tap on Create an Account button. Then enter details to register an account. You do not need to enter real information, but make sure your email address is real because you will need it for verification. Next, go to your email and grab the verification code that you just received. Enter that code to verify your account. After the verification is done, log into your account. Now you need to complete the KYC process. Choose the GitHub method from the options, sign in to your GitHub account, and your KYC verification will be completed. Once your KYC is done, tap on the Register button. Scroll down and start browsing the available domains. Here is something important you need to know. Out of all the domains listed on this platform, only 2 of them are paid. Every single other domain on the list can be claimed completely for free. Select your preferred domain and enter the website name that you want for your website. Then read through the terms and services and accept them. After that, tap on the Check Availability button to confirm that your domain name is available. Once everything looks good, confirm your details and tap the Register button to finalize everything. And just like that, you have successfully acquired your free domain. If you made it to this point and grabbed your domain, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Now it is time to grab your free hosting. Open the hosting website and tap on the My Account option at the top. Next, choose the Sign Up button to start creating your account. Fill in all the details in the form. Just like before, you only need to keep your email address real. Everything else in the form you can fill in with any information you want. Once you are done filling in the form, tap the Create Account button to move forward. After creating your account, go to your email and you will find a verification link right there in your inbox. Click on that link to verify your account. Once your account is verified, tap on the Order option. From the list that appears, select the Web Hosting option. After that, choose the Basic plan from the available plans. On this page, select the 1-month plan and enter the domain address that you just registered a few minutes ago. After entering the domain address, tap the Continue button to move forward. On the next screen, you will see a form asking for your profile details. Fill in all your profile details carefully, and once you are done, tap the Save Profile button to save everything. Now here comes the most important part. In the coupon code field, enter the coupon code that you can see on your screen right now. The moment you apply that coupon code, your entire billing amount will drop down to 0 rupees. Now go ahead and complete the payment process to confirm your order. After completing the payment, go to your email and you will find all your hosting details sitting right there in your inbox. Go through those details, update all the necessary settings, and once everything is in place, your website will go live. And that is it. You now have a free domain and free hosting, both set up and ready to go without spending a single rupee. If this video helped you out, make sure you subscribe to the channel because I keep dropping tutorials like this. I will see you in the next one.